Hello everyone, it's Crystal. Today we're going to look at the verbs to postpone and to put off. Both are related to delaying something, but are they exactly the same? If I postpone my wedding, is that the same as me putting it off? Let's find out in the rest of the video. Postpone and put off have very similar meanings. To delay something for some reason. But there are some subtle differences between the two and when we use them. Let's take a look at these examples. More women are postponing childbirth. I put off having a baby for many years. These sentences have very similar meanings. Delaying childbirth for some reason. But one of the biggest differences is that postpone is more neutral in tone compared to put off, which often has a slightly negative feeling. So women might postpone childbirth because they want to focus on their careers, or maybe they want to enjoy a child-free life. It is more neutral feeling. Put off is used often because we are delaying something because we do not want to do it, or because something negative happened. A woman might put off childbirth because they simply do not like children, or maybe they think having a child is too expensive. So those sentences sound more negative. Here is another example. I will postpone the final decision until the CEO returns from abroad. I put off making the decision for so long. Both of these sentences are related to delaying a decision. But postpone is more often used with nouns and events, like postpone the decision, postpone the meeting, postpone the soccer match. While put off is more often used with actions, such as put off making a decision, put off going to the dentist, or put off doing my homework. So in the first sentence, it sounds like I am intentionally delaying the decision until a later date. It sounds more certain that I will eventually make the decision. But with the second sentence, it sounds like I am delaying that decision because I don't really want to make it. So it is unclear if I will make that decision or when I will make that decision eventually. Let's look back at my first example. I postponed my wedding. I put off my wedding. When I postpone my wedding, it sounds like I am intentionally delaying my wedding, and I will likely reschedule it for a later date. Conversely, if someone puts off a wedding, it can sound like they are delaying it because they don't really want to do it, or because something bad happened. For example, I lost my job, or maybe I don't really want to get married. That's why I'm putting off my wedding. So if my fiancé says, I want to postpone our wedding for another year, I might be okay with it. But if he says, I want to put off our wedding for another year, he might be in big trouble. I hope you all have a better understanding about the difference between postpone and put off. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Please subscribe for more content, and until next time, bye!